Hello folks, and welcome to another legal but inaccessible green lane. Let me give you some history of this. Let me just tell you where I am. That way is Ridge Lane. Over in that direction's Atherstone. Back down that hill, if you live locally, you've probably done it 100 times before, is Mancetter. So when I was a Warwickshire Green Lane Association rep in 2017, I discovered on their online mapping that there's quite a few hidden roads in Warwickshire that weren't on the map, and I discovered this one, which to me was quite amazing. I've been down this road hundreds of thousands of times and had never ever realised there was a road here. It's just strange because you've got this tarmac road here that cuts through the trees and weaves down, but then you've got this one. Full of fly tipping. But believe it or not, that is a green lane. So let's go for a walk. So I think the original route went straight through. We're just going off the route. Essentially, we're going down a bit of a footpath that's been made by people. It's not an official footpath. It's been the safest route to walk down, so people have turned it into a footpath. So you should be able to just about see my car in the distance there. So the track goes through here, which if you trim the bushes back at the very end, you would be able to drive down here, and you'd get this far at least. Some new trees growing. You can more or less see a bit of the shape of a road there, a ridge. I don't know if it come out there well on camera, but like a curve. But it becomes more obvious as you go further down. So just here, there's a ridge, but like a ditch, and I'm guessing this ditch is the side of the road, and the road, the original road, is up here on the top here. But there is a visible dip here, which to me is part of the road. It's been a while since I've come down here. Obviously you've got lots of tree growth. You need to clear that back. Again, you can see this ditch here. Memorial there. It's a bit of a unique place to put it. But again, I'd say we're on top of the roadbed now, and that ditch runs along the side of it, a bit like a drainage ditch. Some broken stones there. Maybe that was once part of the road. Wouldn't be any other reason for them to be here. Now there's quite a bit to chop back. Looks like the fence has been redone, because that doesn't look too old, and barbed wire there. So that ditch is still running alongside here. And we've got this raised portion. And then it starts sinking. It's a bit narrow there. I think I'll still be able to get the duster through if I move some of these other trees. Let me just check my map. I'm pretty confident this is still the route as it sinks down. Let's have a look. I've just added to Trailwise 2, so I'm using that at the moment. Yeah, still bang on the line. So now you've got this bush that we need lopping down. Holly and not really into plants, I'm not too sure what that is. So still got this drainage track next to it. How sandcastle bucket got here, I do not know. So we're continuing going down. Some lovely soft ground there, and it fell through a hole. Oh, I could have gone the easy way. No, I will go the hard way. See, hopefully you can see on video there it's sunken. Oh, ow, scratch. So that would take some work to chop up. So now that drainage ditch has disappeared, the ROA section here, I've done another hole, lots of holes here. I still believe the lower ditch is what we're looking at. You see it's sinking lower and lower into the ground. This is where it got interesting for me. Ooh, wow, so many holes. So it literally looks like it's been chiselled out of a landscape. I'd love to know the history of how this got turned into the tarmac road by the side of it. But they've definitely been cut out. Some more rocks there. It's been chiselled out. We've got lots more trees to cut out if you want to go about reopening this. Ooh. Can't break the sunken lane now. So I've been scratched to death. My work uniform's taking a battering. Get a picture of that. So I just had to end the video and crawl all the way back up to the top because I dropped my phone. It fell out of my pocket and I fell down one of the holes. Right. There's a lot of trimming to do on this. Is it worth it though? It's not very long. Ooh. I've already been here already. I started back at where I started, but obviously not. So you should quite clearly see on the video the shape of the lane. Which definitely proves there was something here. It's still showing as leaving it open. More still sunken. Oh, sharp. I wonder, I think. That obviously runs alongside his house. So, as you can see, without owner realising, they built a fence and stored their bins on the track. A bit of barbed wire. It's illegal, but I guess no one's ever used this track for so long. Try to find a way out now. Now, despite there not being an exit, there's no footpath either. The cyclists and horse riders can't use it either, even though they're legally entitled to. Horse riders might use this path at the side, but that's not strictly a footpath. So the road I'm on at the moment is actually technically private property. This is not part of the road. So there's the official exit. What I'm standing on now is part of that road. This is the same track that I just walked through. This is a publicly maintainable highway. So that's it for Steppey Lane track. This is Steppey Lane, that's Steppey Lane track. Thank you for watching. Hope to do another one of these soon, as soon as I get some time. I'm not going to bore you with a walk back for the path, or shall I? Oh yeah, let's just throw the footpath in as well, even though it's not a proper footpath and it's not legally a footpath. Let's show you anyway. Have a great day. Thank you.